Yummy. Larry went to check it out. Here it is in this morning's Larry's Look.
This is the North Carolina Research Campus in Kannapolis, North Carolina, where every day scientists are working to help people live longer, healthier lives with less disease. There are 19 universities and corporations involved in research right here. We're in the Plants for Human Health Institute. This is Ann Lila, Ph.D., and in this building, in this laboratory, some amazing things happen. Tell us.
I think so. We're all about finding the compounds in plants that are protecting human health. Not necessarily nutrients that, build strong bones and teeth, but that actually help prevent cancer and cardiovascular disease, anti-diabetic, those kind of things.
Inside here is grape pumice, and you take this and some magic happens, right?
Exactly. Yeah. So it's the leftover product when you squeeze all the juice out of the grape and you have this waste product. But there's a lot of good anti-cancer and cardioprotective compounds in that pumice that can be pulled out and used in functional foods.
In the laboratory, it's extracted, then evaporated, and
mixed with edible protein.
This is the muscadine right here. In powder form. It even tastes pretty good that way. This book actually has all the specs on how important it is to get these nutrients into our troops in places like Afghanistan. You can't keep vegetables and fruits that long, right?
They're bulky, perishable. They can't be kept in a ration pack.
So you've been doing all these experiments to determine how you can do it, and I think you have a product right here. Get
them into a form that the troops can eat, that's shelf stable.
All right, and this would be an example right here. So, easy to eat, and it's sweet. What more can you ask for? This is the atrium of the David H. Murdock Coral Laboratory building. Take a look at this amazing mural. This is the NMR laboratory at the David H. Murdock Research Institute. This is Dr. Kevin Nagy, and he's the director of the NMR laboratory, and this is the largest NMR in the United States, right?
Yes.
Kind of explain, what does that mean, NMR?
So basically it's a large magnet, and we put a sample in similar to this and then analyze the sample in the magnetic field. And
so unlike an MRI, this goes much smaller, all the way down to cells, is that right?
Actually down to single molecules. So we're actually looking at single molecules within the sample. And the MRI takes an image, while this is actually more focused on finding different compounds and different molecules.
This is the metabolic kitchen, and actually it's another type of research laboratory. This is Dr. Karen Corbin, and you are a professor here, and this is all about research, not necessarily just eating.
That's exactly right, Larry. Welcome to the UNC Nutrition Research Institute. What we're doing right now is preparing food for an upcoming study about a nutrient called betaine.
There are 3 different meals here. We have breakfast, we have lunch, and dinner, and you're looking for the betaine products.
Yes, so we've controlled the amount of betaine in this food so that when we're studying its effects, we know precisely how much we've given to the research participants.
What's happening right here, they're measuring the ingredients to beef stew. This is celery and onions. We have peas right here. You see mashed potatoes and carrots. Every single thing that goes in there has to be measured to 1/10 of a gram. Lab food, if you've never tried it, is delicious. I'm serious. Are you listening to me? There you go. It's pretty amazing. The North Carolina Research Campus in Kannapolis. Right. Over 20 corporations and universities from all the United States are doing research there. A lot of people don't realize how much is being done right here in this area. People can even participate in some of those research projects. We'll have a link on our website, WCNC.com. And here, this is some good. You can try one of these. They formulate all this, make this delicious food. This is the powder. This is the grape right there, muscadine right here. This is the kale right here. If you want to try some of that in the powder form. But if you think about it, if you're in the middle of the desert, you can't get vegetables and fruits, this is how it's done. There it is.
This is very good, too.
Very good. And this goes in the NMR.
Okay.
If you
Where
like
does
to
it
try
go?
that, NMR. Largest in the world, one of the largest in the world.
All right. Thank you for that.